Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Tasmia Kamal from Army Public School and College System Attack. I welcome you to our science class for grade 7th. It is a part of APSEC's online support program. The topic of our lesson today is anaerobic respiration and gas exchange in plants. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand anaerobic respiration of plants, explain exchange of gases in plants. Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means without air. Sometimes plant cells respire anaerobically, means without oxygen. In anaerobic respiration, the glucose breaks down into ethanol and carbon dioxide instead of carbon dioxide and water. Ethanol is middle stage between glucose, carbon dioxide and water. Here is the work equation for anaerobic respiration in plants, where glucose in the absence of oxygen broken down into ethanol, carbon dioxide and some energy released. The roots of plants living in waterlogged soil use anaerobic respiration, otherwise the plant dies due to no oxygen or air. Waterlogged is the saturation of soil and water, or we can simply say that waterlogged soil is actually wet soil. However, plants must come back to aerobic respiration, means respiration with air, before the level of ethanol becomes too high, because in this case, that is, high level of ethanol kills the plants. Yeast is a microscopic fungus. A fungus is a member of group of organisms which can't be seen with naked eye. It respires anaerobically or aerobically depending on oxygen level, means when there is not enough oxygen or level of oxygen is low, then it respires anaerobically, otherwise aerobically. The process of breakdown of glucose into ethanol and carbon dioxide with release of energy is called fermentation. Let's consider an experiment. If yeast mixed with glucose and water and put it in warm place, it will start to ferment. Means the process of fermentation started. In fermentation of yeast, glucose breaks down to produce carbon dioxide and release energy. This gas, that is carbon dioxide, turns lime water milky. Lime water also called calcium hydroxide. Gases diffuse means move from high concentration region to low concentration region through stomata into spaces between cells of leaf. Now from these spaces, gases diffuse into or out of the surrounding cells or neighboring cells. Gas exchange in plants is complicated because during daylight, plant cells carry on respiration and process of photosynthesis also takes place at the same time. Here are the word equations for photosynthesis and respiration. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water combine to form glucose and oxygen in the presence of sunlight, while in respiration, that glucose and oxygen combine to form carbon dioxide and water. For photosynthesis, energy is needed and sunlight provides that energy, while in respiration, energy is released. Both are opposite reactions. All living things on earth respire, so it means that respiration goes on all the time, whether it is day or night. Photosynthesis takes place at daytime because plants need light for photosynthesis, while at night there is more respiration than photosynthesis. Conclusion. Plant cells can respire anaerobically, means without air or oxygen. Yeast is a microscopic fungus which breaks down glucose to release energy. Respiration equation is the opposite of photosynthesis equation. Thanks for watching.